How are you today? Okay, keep spirit, okay? Are you ready for study? Okay, good job. Before we start our lesson, I want to introduce myself. My name is Miss Asha Zulaikha. You can call me Miss Asha. Before we start our lesson, it will be if we are praying together. Praying together. Okay. Now, I want to check your attendance first. Okay. Nobody was absent, right? Oh, okay, good job. I think our student had attendance. Okay, I will give you a motivation for our study. Okay, the motivation is hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. Okay, the meaning of motivation is the best learning is always accompanied by practice, so that it can be remembered and understand. Because if you only listen and see the explanation from the teacher or mentor and the others, at least the knowledge you get will be forget. Okay, we start our lesson today. Today we will learn about quadratic equation. Do you know quadratic equation? Quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This is a general form of quadratic equation. Okay, from this general form, we can find the roots of the quadratic equation. We can using formula ABC or quadratic formula. The formula ABC, we will look for to find the roots of quadratic equation. The general form quadratic equation, we find it all by A. Divided by A. It's going to be x squared plus bx over A plus c over A equals 0. And then it's going to be minus the formula of perfect square, or in bahasa is quadrat sempurna. And it's going to be x half of bx over A is plus b over 2a square equals, if you descriptive x plus b over 2a is x squared plus b x over a plus b squared over 4a squared. And then how go to next? X square is going to be xr plus bx over a. We can subtract b square over 4a square with minus b square over 4a square plus c over a equals 0. And then the form is same with the form this. And then can you write down x plus b over 2a square equals minus b square over 4a square, swipe right to be b square over a square minus c over a. Okay. Then it's going to be x plus b over 2a square jadi to be b square minus 4ac over 4a square. And then x plus b x plus x over 2a equal the roots of b square minus 4ac over 4a square. And then x square x plus b over 2a equals the roots of b square minus 4ac is the root b square minus 4ac, and then over the roots of 4a square is 2a, and the result is the root of quadratic equation is x equals minus b over 2a plus or minus the root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And then the denominator is same because a. So x equal minus b plus or minus the root of b square minus 4ac 2a over 2a. This is a quadratic formula. For example, x square minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, a is 1, b minus 6, c equals 2. Okay, we use the quadratic formula or formula ABC. Okay, x equals minus b plus or minus the roots of b square minus 4ac over 2a, and then x equals minus multiplied by minus 6 plus or minus the root of minus 6 square minus 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1 and 2 over 2 multiplied by 1, and then x equals 6 plus or minus the roots of 36 minus 8 over 2, and then x equals 6 plus or minus the roots of 20x over 2 equals 6 plus or minus the roots of 26 is 4 minus 4 multiplied by 7 over 2, and then x equals 6 plus or minus 2 the root of 7 over 2, then x 6 over 2 and 2 the root of over 2 is the result is 3 plus or minus 7 the root of 7. Okay, x1 is 3 plus the root 7 the root of 7, and then x2 3 minus the root of 7. Okay, for practice assignment, work on page 262 of question 1 to 5. Okay, the conclusion obtained today is determine the roots of the quadratic equation. We can use the formula ABC. Okay, I think enough for today. Stay safe and stay healthy. Keep spirit. Okay, before end our study, it will be if we are praying together. Praying begin. Okay, thank you for attentions. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.